What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? It is your boy 𝗶𝗶𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀, aka Hacktual, and today we're going to be talking about the front and back of your computer where you plug in that 3.5mm jack into your microphone spot. So I have both 3.5mm audio cables both plugged in, and it's only able to recognize one or the other. For my case, when I try to talk in the microphone, it's only able to receive that feedback from the front. But however, I want to separate those two. I don't want both of them playing at the same time because that would be kind of annoying. So to have two audio drivers, you need to make sure that one, you're on a Windows 10 machine, and two, you need Realtek audio software installed. Most computers have Realtek audio software installed, but if you randomly Googled Realtek audio, don't do that. Go to your motherboard's manufacturer's webpage. For me, it's ASRock, and I just go to the driver's page and download their audio files. So it's very specific. If you download Realtek, go to your manufacturer's webpage. That's highly important. So to get where I'm at, all you got to do is on the taskbar, go to the speakers, right click on it, then open sound and settings, and make sure that this is expanded so you're able to see the sound control panel. And now we're actually in this one, where you can hit the Windows key and type in sound control panel. We're in the recording tab, and you're only able to see this microphone, and it shows that the rear and front are both being occupied. So to separate these two into two different drivers, you want to hit the Windows key, type in Realtek Audio Console, and then this should pop up. Then go down to the bottom where it says Device Advanced Settings. Then click on where it says Recording Devices, then click on Separate All Input Jacks as Independent Devices. Now this may freeze your computer for a moment, and that's okay. So now you're able to see the front panel and the rear panel. And if you are a streamer like me who uses OBS, Streamlabs OBS, or even XSplit, I'm going to be using Streamlabs for this example. I know XSplit's a little bit of a different layout, but it's still the same. So here on the mic/auxiliary, you can click on the settings gear, then go to properties, and now you're able to hit the drop down button, and you're able to select the front or the rear panel. I don't want to do that because I'm recording at the moment and it would mess up my audio. What you can do is add an additional audio device by hitting add, then go to audio input capture, name it what you want, then select the front or the rear panel. I hope that this video was informative. Give it a thumbs up, like, share, subscribe. I hope to see you guys in the next video, and y'all take care.
Check out Restream.io. It allows you to restream towards to multiple platforms all at once from your OBS or XSplit or whatever streaming platform you are using. You can stream towards to Twitch, Facebook, YouTube, etc. Now, why would you do this? You can get that extra exposure because such platforms are really hard to grow on and you can build an audience. Now, if we check over onto the Restream platform, you can see the entire list that will allow you to stream. And then here at the bottom here are the premiums. So you can stream towards your personal profile on Facebook, Twitch, YouTube. You can even double the channels if you have multiple channels. If we go back towards our destinations here, you can toggle which ones you want to stream to all at the same time, and we can just with a simple of a switch. If we also click on the update titles, we can simultaneously change the channels of the title, description, and if we're playing a game, we can change through the pre-selected listings here, or we can go ahead and just type in whatever game that is not listed and it'll update it on those platforms. So give Restream.io a try here today for free.
Thank you for sticking around. Please feel free to watch my other videos. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, follow my social media. If you're feeling generous, check out my Patreon or send in a donation of any amount with PayPal. It really helps out with post-production, equipment, food in my belly, and also continue making free content for you guys. Links in the description. Y'all take care, and thank you once again.